Hello guys, welcome back to SKT Arena. Today we are going to use the Arduino Mega 2560 and the TFT 3.5 inches LCD shield. These are very useful for displaying graphics and also very important for displaying BMP images. For putting the shield, we just have to match the GND 5 watt 3 watts, GND and 5 watts 3 watts with the Mega. It will come, you have to leave 2 pins and insert the shield. Then there's no other setup, just we connect the cable and connect it to the computer and upload the code. Libraries and search for GFX. It will show Arduino Adafruit GFX library. Install the latest one. Next, after that, go to MCU friend. We search for MCU F. So add MCU friend underscore KBV. So install that. Then we go to file, examples, MCU friend KBV, graphic test SLIM. Then connect your board. Then upload the code. After uploading the code, it will look something like this.